Hello and welcome to the Tomyn Tech Tip, where you can get quick tech tips in 3 minutes or less. Today's tech tip is on how to use Nearpod on the fly. So you might use Nearpod on the fly if you say you don't have a set of slides that you want to embed those questions or activities into. You can do those activities without the slides. It's also great if you're going through a lesson and you're like, I want to do a check for understanding, make sure that all kids are kind of on the right track. You could throw out one of these activities without any other slides or without anything else, and then you can have students answer that question or do the activity. So let's take a look at how to get there and get this started. So the first thing we're going to do is go to nearpod.com, sign in. We'll go to our library, and then in the top right hand corner, there's this quick launch button. When we click quick launch, we've got 4 different options. So we can launch an open-ended question. So this is something where you just ask them a question, they respond, and as a teacher, you can see what their responses are. You can start a timer. This is a really basic timer. It just shows up on the teacher screen, but this might be a quicker way than using like a YouTube video or something else as your timer. You can add time or remove time, just really quick and easy to get to. Next one is my absolute favorite activity from Nearpod, collaborate boards. They're a lot like Padlets, where you can have students respond to a prompt with as many little notes as you would like them to. So really awesome for things like reviewing content from a previous lesson, for brainstorming ideas. And I love the conversations that you can have about those brainstorms, about those review sessions. And so really awesome. The last one is Draw It. This is a student favorite. In this one, you can put up a template as a background image, and students can label parts of things. If you put a map or a diagram up, they can fill in graphic organizers if you upload a graphic organizer as your background image, or they can show their work. So sometimes I've had like math teachers have uploaded an image of a math problem, and then students are able to draw or add text to solve and show their work for that problem. So really awesome tools. When you click in these to launch them, you'll just click in, and then once you're done adding all the pieces that you want, you can hit save, and it will take you directly to a page that looks like this. And to have students join when you're doing this on the fly, I've found that the easiest way is to just have them go to nearpod.com and put this code in up at the top, in the top bar where it asks for a code. That's been the easiest for me. You could do the copy link, or you could put it out in Google Classroom, but I've done this all the way down to about first grade, and we've been able to successfully have them go to nearpod.com. I'll just write it on the board or something, and then put in this code, and they're able to jump on there and answer those questions and do stuff in that way. So check it out.